In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your TikTok cover after posting on PC. So you can upload a custom cover after posting or a cover based on a screenshot of the video. So to do this, all you need to do is go to TikTok on your computer. Now, once you're on TikTok, you want to head over to your profile icon in the bottom left-hand corner, and that will obviously take you to your profile. Now, from here, you'll see all of your videos. Just click on the one you want to change the cover for. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and then click View Analytics. It will then open up TikTok Studio, and this is where we're going to change the cover. Now, you'll see your analytics of your video, but you won't actually be able to change the cover in this analytics section. Instead, you want to go to Posts. Here you'll see all of the content you've posted, and you should see the video you want to change the cover for. Go ahead and then click on the Edit button next to this video, and it will then take you into the Details section, which you can go ahead and use to change the cover. Click on Edit Cover. You can then select a new cover based on the video, or you can click Upload Cover and select a file. You can then select any file here which you may have custom made. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and confirm, and this new cover will update as soon as you click on Save. That's how you do it. I hope that helped.